Just tell me about yourself and who you are, Krista.
I I am a new grower in Minnesota, the U.S., and I started in November. I planted my first three seeds, harvested two of the three plants so far.
Just
My husband's a farmer, so we do a lot of stuff at home. I have two little dogs, and yeah, I want to learn what to do with some of my cannabis that I'm growing nowadays.
what made you
I
decide to do this session?
I was in my beginner grow class with Claire. She helped do that as well, and um, love her personality. Love learning from her, and I want to continue this process with learning how to make my edibles.
What
Didn't know for sure because when I did my first trim, I just took the trim, threw it in freezer bags, and tossed it in the freezer and hoped I did the right thing. And Claire confirmed that I can do that, so that was awesome. Um, Also, we just talked about some of the basic things that we can do, different types of edibles and the process, and I'm excited to learn.
and if somebody was considering working with me on the cookery course, what would you say?
I would say absolutely, you're going to have a great time. Claire is a sweetheart and she makes learning fun. So, absolutely sign up, have a good time. You're going to learn a lot.